Okay friends, today I'm going to be showing you the way I do my oil change. This is for my Mazda 5. People do it a little differently, but I'm just going to show you the way that I do it. As you can see, I'm already on ramps here. And of course, always get your chalk your wheel so you're safe, everything's good. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to release the oil fill cap. Just get it loose. Here. Going, so when it drains faster. Alright, get it in the car. Make sure you have your drain pan ready. A rag. And if you look right back here, this is your drain bolt. Mine is a 14 because I changed the drain bolt for one of those magnetic ones. But yours, if it's the original one, it might be a 17. So just check it. Yeah. Mine's a 14. Just crack it loose. Put your drain ready. I like to do this when my engine is cold so that I don't burn my hands. So, let's see here. Oh, I dropped it, and of course the rag comes in handy because I just made a mess. So let's clean this up here. That's what I get for looking at the camera and not looking at what I'm doing here. I'm looking at the... And I dropped my drain plug in here somewhere. I gotta find it. Let's see. While we let that drain, I'm gonna show you my magnetic drain plug that I got for this. So this is the drain plug that I got here. Has a magnetic tip right here, so it captures any metal shavings that you have. You just want very little shavings, that's fine, but if you see anything like big shavings, you have a problem. So make sure you check that out. I got this on eBay, I believe. This one looks like it's called from Aerospeed. Okay. And anytime you change the oil, you want to always change your crush washer here. So these are like very cheap, inexpensive. Probably I'd say 20 pack for $5. So for $5 you're getting what, 20 oil changes, I guess. So I'm gonna replace this with a new one. The yellow pack here. It's always good to have. I change all my on all the cars that I do, I always put a new crush washer. Okay, so new crush washer on. Okay, let's go check the oil. Okay, still going. We'll let that keep going. Now let me show you the oil and the oil filter I'll be using. This is the oil filter I'll be using. The Bosch brand. I like Bosch. I've been using it for years. So it's a good quality oil filter. I never have any problems with this. And my cars always run smooth. So this is the 3330 for the Mazda 5 version. This is a 2013. And then also the oil that I use is synthetic Castrol 020 weight. This is what the owner's manual calls for. So that's what I'll be putting in today. The engine calls for, I think, 4.7 with the oil filter. So that's about 4.7 there. So I usually put the whole thing in with the new filter. Okay. While we are waiting for that to drain, we can go ahead and go for your oil filter. So your oil filter, so it drains here. If you go back a little bit, look up, it should be right here. So if you have a little tool like this one I got here, it makes life a lot easier. Okay, yeah, it's loose though. We'll wait there. Okay, so here we go. I got my rag, and like I said, this is probably gonna get messy. There it goes. Let that come out. So if you do this on a hot engine, you're going to be burning your hand. That's why I like to do it when it's cold. Okay. I'll probably get the rest now. So I'm going to get it. Oh. And put it in your pan. Oops. Kind of like that. You see. Maybe some overspill here. Or side spill. I like to have a nice clean working area. Okay. Let's go ahead and prep the oil filter. This is how I do it. Get your fresh oil filter. Just sell some fresh oil. Open this up a little bit. Get yourself some oil. Apply it to the filter, gasket, get the threads. That's it. Let's go put it on. It's pretty easy. Twist off, twist back on. And what I like to do is just go hand tight on this. There is a torque spec, I believe. I saw it. I'll get you that number right now. Try to get this on tight, but what I like to do is hand tight. So okay, that's it there. Clean up a little bit. Okay. Just no oil. Double check. Alright, now let's go get the drain plug. The oil filter calls for 14 pounds. So, if you're wondering, but hand tight is fine. You don't want to get it too tight because next time when you try to get it off, it's not going to come off as easy. So, my drain plug with my new crush washroom, and then this one calls for 30 pounds. So let me go get my torque wrench. Over. Give me some ring to work with. There it is, 30 pounds. Oh. Let me check this. Yeah. Okay. Clean up the drain plug area. Oil. Rag. Okay. the oil in. Go ahead and put your oil cap back on and start your engine. Let it warm up to operating temperature, and then you're going to check for leaks. Make sure there's no leaks. Take it for a test drive around the block, and then bring it back, check for oil leaks again, and then you're going to check your oil level. As far as your old oil, you can bring it to your local auto parts store. I take it to AutoZone. They take it, so they only do like maybe 3 or 4 gallons at a time. So try not to accumulate so much. Just go ahead and recycle the oil that you just changed. Check under the vehicle. No drippy drips. Good sign. And all we gotta do is check the dipstick fluid level. Check your fluid level. All good. Okay, that's it for the video. In the next one, I'm going to be flushing out the coolant. It's due for a coolant flush. So here, I'm going to drain this guy, the whole radiator system. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.